As a business owner, you want to maximize your potential, both in your finances and your personal growth. Learning how to invest in yourself so that you can become a better business owner is essential to not only your growth, but the growth of your business as well. When you grow as an individual, you not only reap the benefits in your personal life, but you'll notice that your business will benefit as well. In today's podcast episode, I cover the major areas in your business that you need to incorporate so that you can become a better business owner. When you focus on these areas, you'll see improvements in your personal life and your business. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. When you tap into different areas in your life and you invest in yourself, you'll start seeing new perspectives, have the ability to rejuvenate your business, and create success while being the best business owner you can be. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. When you invest in yourself, you'll become a better business owner. You'll be better equipped to maximize your potential in both mastering your small business finances as well as your personal growth. I often hear business owners raise the concern about thinking that investing in themselves is not worth it, and they don't see how it could impact the bottom line of their business. Many business owners don't quite see the benefit, so I want to start off with a quick story that illustrates just how beneficial it can be to a business owner. I want to tell you about a client who runs a small marketing agency. They're talented, but their business had plateaued. They were stuck in a cycle of long working hours, struggling to retain clients, and not seeing the growth that they envisioned. They decided to start investing in themselves. They attended a leadership workshop and started working with me as their certified life coach to improve their leadership skills and work-life balance. Over time, they became a better leader, communicated more effectively with their team, and had more time for personal growth. This shift had a significant impact on their business. Their clients noticed the positive changes, and their agency started attracting new clients. The agency experienced remarkable growth, and the income was steadily increasing. This example illustrates the power of investing in yourself as a business owner. When you grow as an individual, your business benefits and is up-leveled as well. So how can you make this kind of transformation happen in your life? First, let's talk about personal development. You could start considering reading books, attending seminars, or taking online courses that expand your knowledge and skills. Learning about time management, effective communication, or negotiation skills can significantly benefit your business. These are all skills that I work with my clients on, and I've also created quite a few courses to help my listeners increase these skills as well. I have courses that you can take to help you learn how to do your own bookkeeping, how to elevate your bookkeeping business, as well as how to start, grow, and scale your business. Next, let's talk about taking care of your health and well-being. Business owners often neglect their physical and their mental health due to their busy schedules. But when you invest in your health through exercise, a balanced diet, and relaxation, such as meditation, it can lead to increased energy and focus, which makes you a more effective leader. Building a solid network and seeking mentorship is another essential aspect of self-investment. Being part of a network can open doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and invaluable advice from experienced professionals. When you work with a mentor, strategist, and certified life coach like me, you're able to learn from someone who has walked the path that you're on, and it can be incredibly beneficial. Work-life balance is a challenge that I see many of my clients and business owners facing. It's crucial to invest time in yourself outside of your work. Spending quality time with your family and friends, as well as pursuing personal interests, not only rejuvenates you, but it also provides new perspectives that can be applied to your business. If you're an accountant or high-stress professional, you want to start enjoying your life more, both at work and at home. You've likely built a successful career, but at what cost? The problem is, you're so buried in deadlines and to-do lists that there's no time or energy left for the things that really matter. You're great at managing clients, deadlines, and numbers, but your own stress, time, and well-being, well, they always seem to come last. The constant pressure leads to burnout, guilt, and feeling like no matter how much you do, it's never enough. I see this all the time. As a CPA with over 20 years of experience and a certified coach, I've helped high-achieving professionals, just like you, go from stress and burnout to a more integrated and balanced lifestyle using the reinvention process. This process helps you reduce stress, reclaim your time, and finally build a healthier, happier, and more balanced lifestyle without sacrificing your success. The truth is, stress doesn't go away on its own, and eventually the cost isn't just exhaustion, it's your health, your relationships, and your love for the work you once enjoyed. If you're ready to build a life that you don't need a vacation from, it's easy to get started. First, schedule your complimentary stress audit and clarity session, where in just one session, I'll help you pinpoint what's really draining your time and energy. Create a personalized action plan to help you simplify your life, reclaim your time, and increase your productivity so that you start living with more energy, focus, and freedom. You don't have to keep doing this alone. I can help you customize a plan to stop the overwhelm and start enjoying your life again. Go to financialadventure.com, click on the Work With Me button, and book your free session today. Let this be the moment that you stop just surviving and start living with more control and finally enjoy a more integrated and balanced lifestyle again. In the meantime, check out all the other resources and solutions on my website that you can immediately apply to your life so that you can stop being stressed out and feeling like you're never doing enough, and instead breathe a sigh of relief at the end of the day knowing you've accomplished enough and can enjoy your life more. Another vital aspect of self-investment is the willingness to embrace change and adapt to new circumstances. The business world is dynamic, and those who invest in learning and adapting to new technologies, market trends, and customer preferences will definitely stay ahead of the game. Being resilient is a skill that you can learn as you grow your business, and doing this work will allow you to see the impact it has on your overall business performance. An example of adapting and embracing change is when you think about technology. Many business owners resist the ability to adapt new technologies. When you invest in learning these new skills by taking courses or learning more about technology that's emerging in your industry, you'll be able to provide innovative solutions to your clients, which could lead to increased demand for your services and a substantial revenue boost. Another way to look at technology is when you decide to use a computerized software system for your bookkeeping and financial reporting. When you do this, often the business owners I work with find that they have more time to focus on other areas in their business, and they're able to create the financial reports that they need to make sound business decisions. There will likely be a short time when you're learning the software that causes you to spend more time in this area, but the clients that I work with are much happier in the long run with the abilities that they have to be able to stay on top of their bookkeeping. Lastly, I want to stress the importance of financial literacy. When you invest in understanding your business's financial health, budgeting, and forecasting, you'll have a clear grasp of your finances, which will help you make informed decisions and lead your business to continue to have sustainable growth. Taking into consideration all the ways that you can invest in yourself to be a better business owner, you can then set clear and achievable goals. Take the time to invest in defining your business objectives and your personal aspirations. Make sure that you're setting specific, measurable, and timely goals so that you can create a roadmap for your self-improvement journey. Remember, investing in yourself is an investment in your business as well. By focusing on your personal development, your health, networking, work-life balance, resiliency, financial literacy, and goal setting, you can become a better business owner and lead your company to new heights. Keep investing in yourself and watch your business thrive. You are the key to your business's success. If you need help with investing in yourself so that you can become a better business owner, I'm here to help. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.